What's up, guys? That's the little puppies that Rose just had, and she's having a hard time feeding them. See them? They're like, give me the milk, give me the milk. This is my friend Chandler. Go subscribe to his videos and go subscribe to his channel. His name is Wolf Warrior, and with the white wolves, not the one with the ice cream. So hope you like the video. This is a we're gonna be vlogging today because we're gonna be riding into the high school and stuff. We did a video yesterday about that, but we didn't really do anything. But we went to the vending machine, and if you didn't see that video, go watch it. We went to the vending machine, and they took all of our money, and it didn't give it back.
It's a video on his channel. It's called.
It's on my channel. So if you didn't watch that video, go watch it, guys. Okay? So hope you like the video and subscribe and. Yep, let's go.
I love that puppy, the rent. Ow, crap, they're falling! Ow, crap. I don't know why, Dad. I'm using This is better.
Oh, no, I'm riding this bike.
No, I am.
Yes.
Go get
your
you
rode it yesterday.
No,
it's my turn to ride it. You idiot. No, because you shake it too much. Come on, guys, we gonna go. Okay, guys, we just made it into the high school, and we're just gonna. Oh wait, let's go back to the vending machines, dude.
What?
Let's go back to the vending machines.
Okay.
Just first, don't let that car know we're going back there, because no, you're not allowed to be back here. So. Oh, she's slamming on brakes. We made it here, guys, so, oh, God. Okay, come on, dude. We gotta hurry up.
Right, please, extra. Ocean's not allowed in high school.
Skirt, where's Ocean at?
Right there.
I don't see her.
Riding by the freaking ice cream machine. Riding by. She's in the ice cream.
Ocean, don't let her see you. We do not let Ocean see you because she'll follow us. And she's not allowed to be in here, so. Be quiet, guys. That's the football field, guys. Oh, shit. Shit. I heard a door close. One stops. Come on, guys, we gotta go, but we're gonna come in a different way because so you see we hear somebody. Okay. Guys, did you see that? Okay, we almost got caught. Which we still should be a little bit quiet. Wait, where's the teacher? I don't see a teacher, dude. There's Ocean, guys. Oh, God. Oh. I think they're onto us because that car just stopped, guys. So that's there. Okay, so that wasn't as easy as it looked because we had to be sneaky. And oh God, it just scared me because you should have saw my face. It just, guys, it just scared me because I didn't even know that there was a teacher, and he just said, "Oh God, run! There's a teacher," and I didn't even know. So yeah, that's scary. Okay, what do you want to do now? We don't know, Ocean, but say hey to the vlog.
Oh, that's the mail.
That's the mailman! Mailman, give me my mail!
Mailman!
Mail woman, give me the mail! Dude, how old are you?
That's not legal, dude.
Ocean, Ocean, how old are you? How old is Ocean? Don't nobody care! Oh God. Ooh, this is gonna get bumpy. Yeah.
That would be the best ramp ever.
Oh shoot.
Make sure this is all clear, then slow up here.
I've already did that.
I need to
No, you didn't. Here, let me do it. Hold the camera and I'm gonna jump.
make sure there's no cars.
You're the one that's gonna tell me if there's any cars or not.
I know.
Semi.
No, Ocean. Yeah? 2. Now you're good after these 2. And there's one more. You're good? You're go.
What?
Go.
I thought you said no. I thought you said no. Okay, guys, watch this. Am I good?
No. Hold the camera, Phil.
Let me jump one more time. I didn't get a good enough speed.
I'm riding off, bro. I'm a moving camera.
Dude, am I good?
No, I don't know. I'm not doing it. All right, wait. Let me get over here.
The camera's like video, you jumping.
No, I'm not jumping. Here.
Oh, fuck. Ah, you said. Dude, come on, give me my camera.
No, she was a savage saying the F word for the first time.
It was an accident. You almost wrecked me. That car is on to us. Hey, is it illegal to video people without their permission?